Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, but I go by the name Glamorous K. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a Victoria's Secret haul as well as Bath & Body Works haul. I picked up so many goodies I cannot wait to share with you. And some of you may know a lot of us have been running out to get those new Victoria's Secret gift bags, and I have one sitting right beside me right now. If that's something that you're into, if you're into pink girly, if you're into a little home decor and lifestyle, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to like and also turn on those bell notifications so that you're notified as to whenever I post a new video. Get yourself something to snack on or something to drink. I have me a little coffee in my little viral Betsy Johnson disposable cup. And let's get right into today's video. It's gonna be a good one. And before we get started, I do want to mention that I took advantage of the 30% off discount that they were running this weekend. So with a coupon that I used for $10 off of $50, it definitely brought some of my items down even more. So keep that in mind. You always want to use a coupon from Victoria's Secret to bring that price down a little bit. That's what I do. I know a lot of us, we love to shop, right? So we definitely want to get some discounts, and there's a little pointer for you. So first up is Victoria's Secret, and I'm going to show you all some of the fragrances that I picked up from them. I picked up 2 scents, and one being the Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals and Cashmere, as well as the Snowdrift Frozen Berries and Jasmine. They both smell so good, and I'm loving the packaging. And it says that the notes are toasted sugar, blonde woods, all wrapped up in velvet petals. So I think that's so cute how they summed up the notes. And as you see, it has a super cute top. Super cute packaging with the flowers, there's petals on there. This was on sale, I would say for $14.95. I got this with the sale price. Same with this one, it was $14.95. Also for the Snowdrift Frozen Berries and Jasmine. Smells super good. The notes on here says winter berries, cool jasmine, and tangerine dashing through the snow. Very cute packaging. On this one, it looks like there's snow on there. Super cute. The next thing that I picked up was a pair of panties. I had a coupon for a free panty. So I picked up the pink and black polka dot ones. They also have the VS symbol on there as well. And they also have Victoria's name on the upper part of the panty, which is, I guess, like the waistline. These were $12.50. So pretty cool to get a free pair of panties that originally cost $12.50. They're super cute. I also picked up this tote bag that I've been eyeing for quite some time at Victoria's Secret. It is their signature tote bag with the Victoria's Secret stripes on there. It's so big. It's bigger than I imagined it would be, but it was definitely cool to get it on sale. This was $79.95, and I can definitely put like my MacBook in here, possibly even my iPad. It's definitely a good to-go purse, aka tote bag. And in the inside, it looks like this. Super spacious. It also has these details on each side. It's like a little drawstring where you can pull this to make it tighter. So I am definitely obsessed. I love the little symbol for Victoria's Secret right there. Super cute. Another item that was on my wish list and I finally picked it up this year was a satin PJ set. And it is also the signature Victoria's Secret stripes. I love this so much. It feels so comfortable and cozy. Imagine this with some lotion on and then you get in your bed with the little satin sheets. That's the vibes I'm feeling for this. And this was $79.95. This PJ set has the little top that you button up with the collar, as well as the little satin pants. I love that. And I also love how this can be gifted, because it has like this little detailing on here for you to just throw this inside of a gift bag and gift it for Christmas or a birthday. Super, super adorable. To go right along with those satin PJs, I also picked up some VS slippers. They are pink as well as black. And as you can see, the VS is in black. The slippers are all pink. I think these are so nice. These were $39.95, and I also picked these up in a size medium. And for the PJ set, well, I picked the PJ set up also in a size medium, in case you're wondering. Last but not least, from Victoria's Secret, I did pick up 2 accessories, and those accessories were this little keychain. It's a little keychain strap where you can put your keys on here, as well as it go around your wrist. It's all blinged out in super cute shades of pink. This has been around for quite some time, and I do believe that this was $19.95. I did cut the tag off of here, but super adorable, super girly and pink and blinged out, and those are all of my favorite things. Super cute. The very last thing is this little card holder. It has a few slots in there for you to place your cards in, and it also has a little place in the back for you to put your ID. This, I do believe, was around $29.95. I may be wrong, but I did cut the tag off of this one as well. This is also like a little keychain holder right here. Okay, so here is a pretty good view of how cute these Victoria's Secret gift bags are this year. We have the traditional pink stripes with the Victoria's Secret name on the front. However, we have these super cute snowflakes on the bag, as well as a red ribbon. Super cute on the side. And this is the reverse side that shows pink. And they have like the snowflakes and the snow all pink. Super, super cute. I'm obsessed with the bags this year. And now we're moving right along to Bath and Body Works. I did pick up some goodies just to give you all an idea of how beautiful their packaging is from year to year. I had picked up this strawberry snowflakes from the brand White Born. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And what I do is I just pick up refills of this and I refill it each year. So super cute pink packaging that I wanted to show you all. When I bought this, this was $8.50 2 Christmases ago. I love this. This was $7.95 and it was on sale for $2.95. They were running the little $2.95 soap discount, and I rushed in there to take advantage of it to get my hands on this cutie. This is in Champagne Toast, and it says that it's gentle and clean. It's foaming hand soap, and it's made without sulfates and parabens and dyes, because I do have sensitive skin. This is great to know that. This fragrance notes states that it's bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. Champagne Toast is definitely one of my favorite fragrances from Bath & Body Works. So I'm so excited to put this in my bathroom and also burn the Champagne Toast candle that I'm about to show you all. This was the very last thing that I picked up from Bath & Body Works. I'll definitely be making another trip back there because I saw some other things that I would love to get my hands on. But the Champagne Toast candle that I picked up this year looks like this. It definitely matches that hand soap that I just showed you all. Look at how cute that is. I cannot wait to put this on my bathroom sink along with the candle and just have a little theme going for the little nutcrackers. It's like a winter wonderland. It's so cute. It smells so good. And the candle was on sale for $14.95 whenever I picked this up. It was originally $24.95. So definitely do not rock, but run to Bath & Body Works and get your hands on these cute packaging that they have this year. Once again, there is some more like the Twisted Peppermint that I want to go back and get. I also want to get the little small version that's all pink of the Champagne Toast. I think it's a single wick candle is what they call those, because it's all pink and it also has a little nutcracker on there. And whenever it goes on sale, that's definitely whenever I'll be back. So that does it for the Bath & Body Works that I picked up thus far. So that does it for today's Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works haul. I definitely hope that you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed going out shopping for these items. Please let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item from today's haul. I am so anxious to know. I have a couple favorites myself, but it would definitely be nice to know what was your faves. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if that's something that you're into, if you're into pink and girly, if you're into a little home decor and lifestyle. Also, do not forget to like and turn on those bell notifications, and I'll see you right back here again in my next video. Bye.